Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change and configure the Microsoft Edge proxy settings on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So basically the proxy settings for Microsoft Edge are the proxy settings for the whole computer. I'm not aware of any specific proxy settings you can adjust within Microsoft Edge itself that doesn't just redirect you back to the default Windows proxy settings. So we're going to go ahead and address that in today's tutorial. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in proxy, best match, come back with proxy settings, go ahead and open that up. And now at this point you would go ahead underneath manual proxy setup and you would select use a proxy server, select the setup button. You would checkmark or toggle the on position for use a proxy server. You would type in the proxy IP address, the port, and then the proxy server except for the address with the following entries. And then you could select certain exemptions down here. So pretty straightforward process on that. And then you would select save to save the change. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.